Folks, tired of iBuilders that just spit out random unfinished layouts? HeyBoss.ai flips the script. This tool lets you take any polished professional website and turn it into your own in minutes. I am Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Today we're diving into HeyBoss.ai to see how it goes beyond typical templates. Unlike most AI tools that produce generic designs, this one lets you clone a real web page and fully customize it for your business or project. I'll walk you through a live example, showing how to clone a site, tweak every detail, and adapt it to your needs. By the end, you'll see how this tool can save you time and even test new business ideas before spending a dime on design or development. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's jump in and see what this tool is all about. Friends, HeyBoss.ai isn't just another builder. It lets you clone any web platform and make it fully editable in minutes. Sounds like magic. Let's see it in action. And before we go any further, it's important to say that this tool isn't just for local businesses. You can use it to build full websites, web apps, and ebooks. Basically any digital project. We'll build a professional website in just 10 minutes. I'll show a real example and how to tweak everything to fit your needs. I already have a tech blog with reviews. Now I'm creating a new one, keeping the same clean structure, polished design, and all the blocks. Mates, in the Clone Website tab, I just drop in the URL and pick the option for a modern tech blog focused on AI tools. Then I hit Generate, and the agent jumps right into action. It literally goes and explains how it's going to scrape the styles and adapt everything for my new AI web tools platform. After a few seconds, the result appears, and as you can see, the overall structure stays almost unchanged. The blocks look nearly identical. There's a subscription form and a header with a placeholder logo. You can also find a navigation menu with categories and a hero section featuring a large image and blog previews. All the latest articles are here as well. As you scroll down, the content categories come into view, followed by AI-generated images and social blogs. You'll also see must-read sections, another subscription form, and a footer. Everything mirrors the layout of the original site, with a clean design and a color palette that feels just right. Folks, what's really impressive is that the tool didn't just generate a design, it understood the content structure and created matching materials. It's like having both a designer and a copywriter inside one tool. And the best part is that every element is fully editable. I can just click Edit and tweak whatever I want. For example, I can replace your brand with TechFlow or change the logo to TF. Then I hit Save and everything updates automatically. On top of editing the layout, HeyBoss lets you add ready-made features through plugins. Basically an app store for your project. There's a huge library of integrations, from YouTube videos and Twitter posts to Twitch streams and Spotify tracks or playlists. Friends, there are also SoundCloud podcasts, Loom presentations, Figma embeds, and plenty more. You can even integrate different AI APIs. The platform also comes with all kinds of handy features like social sharing, chatbots, and image generators. It also includes login forms as well as countdown timers. Basically everything you need to take your site to the next level. You can even pull in web data or use scraping plugins if you want. For example, I can add the OpenAI API and ask it to use it to build the feature. It picks up the task, I can tweak the prompt, and the platform turns it into a fully working chatbot. Then I hit Generate, and let's see what happens. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! And as you can see, the Astra agent doesn't just drop in a ready-made widget. It actually builds a full architecture. It put together the entire structure and added everything straight into our project. And now we have a working assistant. For example, mates, I can ask what I should do if I want to start learning AI-powered workflow automation. It analyzes the question and provides a complete answer in Markdown format. That's exactly what we need. The chatbot works perfectly and is built right into the site. This is version 1 and we can publish it on a HeyBoss domain. With a premium plan, You could even connect your own custom domain or embed the site into another web page. Then I hit publish, and just like that, our project is live. Now anyone can view it online and use the built-in chatbot. So folks, how could you actually use this? One great scenario is rapid testing. Say you have an idea for a new SaaS product, but aren't sure if there's demand. You can test it with a project like this. Instead of spending thousands on design and development, you can clone the structure of a successful competitor, then tweak it to fit your product and run some ads. This way, you can quickly gauge interest and see if your idea actually resonates with real people. Guys, another great use case is for freelancers and agencies. A client might show a competitor's website and say they want something similar. Instead of spending weeks building everything from scratch, you can whip up a prototype in just a day. Then you share it with the client, get their feedback, and tweak it as needed. Finally, you may then refine it until it's polished and ready to impress. This approach saves time and money for both sides. Mates, the third scenario is for content creators. If someone runs a blog, YouTube channel, or podcast, they could use this to create a professional portfolio website in just a few hours. They can clone the design of a popular media platform and adapt it to their own content without needing any technical skills. One more way to use this is for competitor research. It allows you to quickly break down the structure of any successful website in your niche. You can see which blocks they use and how they set up navigation. You can also check which calls to action they include, and then apply those best practices to your own project. Finally, you can even view the code that was generated and take a close look at what it's made of. Alright, my friends, here's the bottom line. HeyBoss.ai isn't just another AI website builder. It's a complete game changer. You can clone real proven structures and launch a professional-looking site in minutes. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer, this platform gives you the tools you need. It makes your work faster, smarter, and more effective. So you don't need to be a tech expert or spend thousands on design. Everything is intuitive and ready to help you level up your online presence. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.